He's a rock star with a spreadsheet for a microphone.
Need I remind you of your NDA? Visitors must be screened.
I was just, we were just...
The Ethernet cable is not Ethernetting, so I'm going to flag it to be replaced. I teed.
So that guy does that. I hired him. Floyd authorized it. He needs me.
Floyd is his own worst enemy. I've been trying to manage him for years, but I am tired.
You look good.
I know. Are you aware of what will happen if we scrap the 6 months of work we put into this expansion? It will literally put this company underwater. Get him to release that area. There is a bump on the floor there. Call maintenance.
Got yourself a sick lizard there, huh?
He's an iguana. And yes, he's not feeling 100% right now.
Looks fine to me. I mean, fine for a big, scary lizard.
Iguana.
Iguana.
Jacob's been very stressed out since my husband and I split up. He's listless, lethargic. He doesn't want to do anything.
Well, I can see why you split up with him.
I'm talking about the iguana.
I know. I joke when I get upset. My future mother-in-law's dog is sick, and it happened on my watch, and she's not exactly my biggest fan. Not that I'm hanging her poster in my locker, if you know what I mean. But... So, what do you feed this thing here? Bugs or some kind of lizard chow?
Iguana.
Well, you don't open the door crack, do you?
Oh, hello, and welcome to Happy World Travel. I'm Matthew, and this is my partner, Pam.
Hi. Please have a seat. Would you like a glass of fresh cucumber water?
Sure. If you don't mind me asking your name, because you look really familiar to me.
I'm Rob.
Short for Raheem?
Rob or Robbie?
Raviv.
Rob.
How can we help you today, Raj?
Rob.
Rob.
Huh?
Rob.
Huh?
Rob.
Huh.
Rob.
Close enough. Anyway, I was thinking someplace tropical, someplace where I can get in the water, bring my board.
Water, board, check. We have some black sites that may be of interest to you.
Black sites?
It's very exclusive.
Oh, like the black card from Amex.
I'm sorry, ma'am, your card's been declined.
Oh, I don't think it is, Debbie. Just use it at Brookstone and Williams-Sonoma, and maybe just rub it on your shirt and give it another swipe. I mean, I know it's the credit card company's just being overly cautious, and I know it's to protect me, but it's kind of a pain in the rump, right?
Declined?
Did you pay the bill?
Of course I paid the bill. No biggie, no biggie. Plenty of other cards. You could just spread that over those three. We'll be right as rain.
I don't think I'm allowed to do that.
Oh, they don't give those name tags to cowards, Debbie.
If that was his audition, he's definitely in the band. Get it? Audition.